How to mock an import. Module A includes import B at its top. However, under test conditions I'd like to mock B in A, mock a.b, and completely refrain from importing B. In fact, B isn't installed in the test environment on purpose. A is the unit under test. I have to import A with all its functionality. B is the module I need to mock. But how can I mock B within A and stop A from importing the real B, if the first thing it does is import B? The reason B isn't installed is that I use PyPy for quick testing, and unfortunately B isn't compatible with PyPy yet. How could this be done?
You can assign to sys.modules B before importing A to get what you want. Test.py, A.py. Note B.py does not exist, but when running test.py no error is returned and print a.b.name_ prints mock_b. You still have to create a mock_b.py where you mock B's actual functions / variables / etc. Or you can just assign a mock directly. Test.py.
The built-in _import_ can be mocked with the mock library for more control. Say a looks like. A data returns b_mock.func, which can be mocked also. Note for Python 3, as stated in the changelog for 3.0, _built-in_ is now named built-ins. Renamed module _built-in_ to built-ins, removing the underscores, adding ins. The code in this answer works fine if you replace _built-in_ by built-ins for Python 3.
How to mock an import, mock AB. Module A includes import B at its top. Easy, just mock the library in sys.modules before it gets imported. And then, so long as it doesn't rely on specific types of data being returned from B's objects, should just work. You can also mock import a.b. This works even if you have submodules, but you'll want to mock each module. Say you have this. To mock, simply do the below before the module that contains the above is imported. My experience, I had a dependency that works on one platform, Windows, but didn't work on Linux, where we run our daily tests. So I needed to mock the dependency for our tests. Luckily it was a black box, so I didn't need to set up a lot of interaction. Mocking side effects. Addendum: actually, I needed to simulate a side effect that took some time. So I needed an objects method to sleep for a second. That would work like this. And then the code takes some time to run, just like the real method.
Aaron Hall's answer works for me. Just want to mention one important thing. If in a .py you do from b.c.d import e, then in test.py you must mock every module along the path, otherwise you get import error.
If you want to see more,